Hey, what's up you guys? In this quick video I'm going to be showing you guys how to upgrade your notebook, okay, RAM, or your memory, okay. So I bought a 2GB memory module from Fry's Electronics. It's a memory module by Patriot, okay. So it's Patriot right there. And the first thing you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you have your accessories, which is a screwdriver. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is turn your laptop around, or notebook, whatever, or netbook maybe, and remove the battery. Alright, there should be an actual switch on the side so that it removes the battery. Next, locate a small compartment, okay, on the actual laptop itself with 2 screws or maybe 1 that has the actual memory, you know, small little picture engraved into it. And as you can see, I have 3 gigabytes, but with only 2 places to put RAM. So we're gonna have to get rid of one of these. So first you're gonna want to find out which one has the least RAM. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this by removing them. There are 2 metal clips on the side, and you just pull on them, and it makes the memory module pop up, and you just pull. And you take a look, it's a 1 gig. Okay, this is a 1 gig. Right here, it says 1 gig. Now, I think that's the one we're going to replace. So now, you want to go ahead and open your memory module package, which I will do so right now. Okay. Alright, so here's the memory module itself. Okay, let me take it out of its packaging completely. And here it is, Patriot 2GB PC2 5300 that is going in my HP G60. Okay, so first you want to make sure that the Patriot sign is on the bottom, and you're going to want to go ahead and just pop it in. There are some pins right there with a little gap so that you know exactly where to put it. There's an actual little thing right here that goes inserted into this. So you just go ahead and pop that in and push it down until you hear the clip. The clips on the side click like that. Now you have to go ahead and put the cover back and screw them on. Next you want to go ahead and put your laptop battery back into the actual laptop or notebook computer and make sure that it's on right. Okay. Now open your laptop back up and go ahead and turn it on. You might get a message, you know, saying that your system memory has changed, and you're just gonna want to go ahead and hit a button that I will tell you right quick. And it's not telling me anything at all, so that means it's good to go, right? So if everything is fine, installed quick and everything, then you should just boot into Windows. Alright you guys, so that does it for this video. Please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe for more videos to come. I'm Elmer, signing out.